Oops, time out muna. Akala nyo dito ang punta natin ano? Pasensya na, pero meron tayong ibang adventure. Kaya tara na, sama na. Halika na, joyride na tayo.
Hi guys, good morning. It's me again, Francie. Welcome to my channel, Francie Motovlog Adventure. And thank you again for your support. Nandito tayo ngayon sa San Fernando. At papunta tayo ng Tarlac. Panibagong adventure na naman po pupuntahan natin. At tara na, sama na kayo. Huwag na po natin patanggalin. Pero bago po tayo mag-umpisa, para sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, just hit the like button if you like my content. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the view, enjoy the road trip, and enjoy the music.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Ayun ano? Ito. Ito peso. Ha? Entan. Dito sa ano na sir? Sa monasteryo no? Ayan. Pasyal lang kami, saglit lang kami. Ayan, okay, thank you.
Yan, pagka papasok kayo rito sa Monasterio de Tarlac, may bayad 20 pesos kapag nakamotor. Pinaka-environmental fee. Tatak, Eco Park, Giant Pugad, straight ahead. Magtika, magsisi. Welcome, Ecotourism Park. Yan o. Sitio, Padlana, Barangay, Lubigan, San Jose, Tarlac. Diba? Yan ano yan. Saan ba? Motorcycle parking this way. Yan. Oo. May tindahan din ng souvenir dito. Ayan. Yan guys, dito na kami sa loob ng Monasterio de Tarlac. Dito kami napadpad ng aming mga layas na paa. Dadaan. Tignan natin kung anong meron dito na adventure. Yun, may tao na doon sa taas. Ayan o. Diba? Yun, doon pala. Meron pala doon ano, view deck. Hanggang sa baba. Ayan o. Meron pang ano rito o, palasyo. Si statwa ni Mama Mary. Statue of Saint Mary. Yan doon, ang ganda oh. Pwede kayo magpa-picture doon. Yan. Dito tayo sa pinaka-view deck. Ang ganda rito oh. Nakikita nyo lahat ng mga bundok sa paligid. Doon kami dumaan. Ito yung dinaanan namin, papanik doon sa magandang daan sa San Jose. Tapos ito yung statwa ni Jesus Christ. Nakayakap siya, niyayakap niya yung view. Diba? Maganda rito. Yan. Meron pang mga ibang namamasyal. Doon, mamaya pupunta tayo doon sa simbahan. Diba? dito na mabibili kayo ng souvenir na mga alkansya, oh. Ayan, oh. Mga souvenir item. 50 pesos lang, all size. Ayan. Diba? Nandito na tayo ngayon sa harapan ng Monasteryo de Tarlac. Ayan. Kita nyo naman. Diba? Napakaganda ng lugar na to. Peaceful. Talagang lugar para sa mga mahilig magsimba. Para lugar sa mga mahilig magbigay ng panahon sa ating Diyos. Ayan, oh, ganda, oh. May eco park pa rito, oh. Ito ang continuation doon sa Monasteryo de Tarlac. Kapag kagaling kayo doon, pwede pa kayong mag-explore dito. Merong eco park dito. Ayan. Doon, papuntang Giant Pugad. Doon, meron pa din doon, oh. Tapos, ito, view deck, veranda. Dito tayo pupunta. Dito maganda na kalsada. Ayun, oh. Ganda ng view, oh. Oh. Welcome to veranda. Pwede pa kayo doon kumanik. Ayan, oh, meron din doon, oh. Picture. Ayun, oh. Oh, ganda ng ano. Oh, doon pa yung papunta ron. Ayun yung Monasteryo de Tarlac. Ito ang pinaka view deck. Ayan o. Diba? Wala na naman tao. Kaming dalawa na naman. Solid. Yung tahimik dito. Hanap lang tayo ng paparkingan. Nandito kami sa pinaka view deck ng ano to, Eco Park. Di bali Eco Park to. Ito yung pinaka view deck kapag galing kayo doon sa Monasterio de Tarlac. Ito yung pinakataas. Yan ang makikita ninyo. Ayan, no? Diba? Ang ganda. Napakalaki na itong lugar na to. Papanik tayo doon sa taas. Ayan, may spiral dito, dalawang spiral. Papanik tayo sa taas. Yun. Oh. Ayan o. Kita nyo naman. Mas maganda rito sa taas. Mas matatanaw nyo yung view. Ayan. Doon lang sa monasteryo, talagang makakapasyal ka na eh. Pero pagka gusto mo pang i-explore itong lugar, meron ka pang mapupuntahan. Kaya kung mamamasyal lang kayo, dito mauubos yung isang araw nyo. Pwede kayo mag-picnic, mag-relax. Talagang mawawala stress nyo rito. At dito po nagtatapos ang panibago nating adventure, guys. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama ninyo sa ating biyahe dito sa Monasterio de Tarlac. At 100% kung nire-recommend tong lugar na to, kung hahanap kayo ng lugar na mapapasyalan at saka mag-road trip, napakaganda po dito, lalo na pagpasok ninyo sa San Jose, Tarlac. Ang ganda ng daan, talagang solid. Maraming salamat po ulit sa panonood. At sa mga baguhan na viewers ko na hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, kung gusto nyo rin po ang aking content, subscribe lang po. Dito na po ako magpapaalam. Until next time, see you again, guys. Thank you. Stay safe.